Thank you, David.
You're welcome, darling.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the International Motorcycle Show, and welcome to Harley Davidson. If you can hear my voice, come on in our display. Come on in the Harley Davidson.
Where's the live wire at? Do they have one over there?
And enter to win a $500 gift card.
Over there. The live wire.
All right, ready? Good morning. How are you? Electric.
Do they have their adventure bike prototype?
I don't know. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's over there.
It's a new design engine. Liquid.
You know, it's not as ugly in person, is it?
With colors. Their colors are always just spot on.
You know, on TV, I mean, you know, when you see the ads, it looks ugly. That's not bad looking at all. Yeah, it's not bad.
How much does it weigh? When are they actually going to? When's it going to be in production?
Yeah.
Cross range? Cross range.
Out with them, these guys.
Jason just asked me, he said, did you make it to the show okay? He said, did you make it to the show okay? So I sent him a selfie of him and I.
You don't get
Well, you didn't make it okay then.
Yeah, he's going to get a scooter.
You're getting the Vespa?
Man, I tell you, I think they're cool. I ain't getting a Vespa.
They've been invited too. Yes.
They let everybody come up here and eat and stay for free.
That's awesome.
Well, not everybody, Rex.
Not everybody.
I'm looking for almost everybody.
Back when they were little. 10,000 years
How you
ago.
doing, buddy? Good to see you. Hey, Jeff, this is AJ. AJ? Jeff.
AJ, hi.
It's
Jeff
nice
Nietzsche.
to meet you.
And you.
She's our Plano Kawasaki.
Contact.
Yes.
Yeah, there we go.
So when we talk about AJ and Plano, this
Uh-huh.
is AJ.
That's
It's
AJ.
not a guy.
She sells us all the bikes that we have.
You go buy a
And helmets.
Kawasaki or Suzuki, come over. I bought 4 of them in
Yep.
45 days. For
No place
We're
better.
famous. We're famous. We sell all the good people.
This is the perfect Arkansas motorcycle.
Is it?
Yes,
It's almost time.
Tons of charm here. Jamie and I are finishing up walking around the motorcycle show, and just thought we'd come out the parking lot. This is always one of the funnest things to do when you're kind of seeing what all the bikes look like and
Who all came?
that.
Kicked some tires.
it's beautiful out here. Probably 60 degrees, so it would have been a great day to ride, but it looks really nice. Hope you guys like the show. A little disappointed that BMW and Ducati and those people weren't here, but otherwise it was good. I'm going to show you the whole. A few bikes here, not too bad. Yeah, there's usually a lot more here, so we're just kind of walking around, getting ready to go back onto the what do they call it here? The Dart.
The Dart.
Dallas area transit, go back to our hotel room, kind of hang out, but wanted to show you guys a little bit. Hope you all are having a good day. New African Twin.
We actually saw another Orca in the parking lot.
We did. We hadn't seen a 19 Versus on the road, but we actually saw one in the parking lot here, so that was pretty cool. We were just talking about how we hadn't seen any.
We're in the big city now,
Here goes a train. I don't even know what time the schedule is, do you? We might be going across.
though. I bet we're gonna miss that though.
Well, there'll be more. So. All right, we'll take some more video when we get over by the train.